Want your designs to have real 3D texture and a premium look? A UV flatbed printer makes embossed effects possible in just one step. The UV flatbed printer uses multi-layer white ink stacking technology, precisely controlling embossing height from tens to hundreds of microns. The entire process is fully automatic, no molds and no pressing equipment required. The final result features a smooth surface, clean edges and clear layers. TPU is soft, highly flexible and offers excellent adhesion. It is washable, abrasion-resistant, and delivers fine 3D texture with a comfortable tactile feel. If you're producing apparel, canvas bags, sports accessories or fashion items, this TPU embossing solution adds a premium and unique tactile value to your products.